Did you hear what Paul was saying? Little brother, can you get this? Not the God that you hope do something for you, but I'm telling you about the God who did something for me. So it doesn't matter about what ain't happening in your life. I just want to tell you one about the one who took care of my life. Did you hear what Paul said? Read where you started again and take your time like you do and just let them hear that. This same, he said the same God. This sounds like mama's God. Yes. This sounds like grandmama's God. Yes. This sounds like great-grandmama's God. This same God. Read again.
Yes, and this same God who takes care of me will supply all your needs from his glorious riches.
I'm a witness already. The same God who takes care of me. Why do I keep wanting the preachers to come on, go and get their own members? Because the same God that sends me members gonna send you some members. You don't have to talk to anybody over here. You got to talk to folks that believe in the same God that I believe in. You got to go up in there. I know some folk look at him and say, you know what, he's a fool up there. I am, and I am. Yeah. I'm a stone fool up here in the room. You don't know what you're messing. And you got to be as big a fool in the pulpit as I am, because it's the same God that's blessing me is gonna bless you. And I got all kind of, I got a they call it a reputation sheet. I got a rap list sheet that's just real long. I tried to stay out of trouble. I tried, but trouble wouldn't stay out of me. It was all when I was trying to do good, evil was always present. And some of y'all ain't been in nothing. You got a list that's just clean. Your sheet is so, you got just a clear canvas in your life. Y'all ain't been in trouble in your life. And if you can't go and do something that's clean, as squeaky clean as you are, if my life was as straight as you have been walking in yours, I wasn't able to do it. But if I were able to just do it squeaky clean as y'all would come in here and I'd be levitating. Walker. I am sometimes, y'all just don't see it. And that's what you ought to be. But guess what? My spirit, even though my flesh is not, my spirit soars higher. Anytime I know you, I don't act like I know you. I know where you've been. I know what you've been into. I know what you've been doing. I know your story. I ain't gonna call you out. But like I know your story and you know your story, your spirit ought to rise like I rise. I ought to have some Maya Angelos up in here. Still, I rise.